Alright, so since I made that last video talking about my payout last week with Lucid, a few people have been asking me about my thoughts on Lucid trading prop firms, so I thought I'd make a quick video on them. In this video, we'll go over the evaluation process, the funded process, all the rules, which account is best, what I like, what to watch out for, and why it's the only prop firm I'm using right now. So personally, I love Lucid for the following reasons. So firstly, there's only a one-time challenge fee. So when you buy an evaluation, you just pay that fee once. It's not like other prop firms where you have to pay a monthly fee every month. And I don't like that because it makes you rush and you can't trade your strategy properly if, let's say, you're getting to the end of the month and you don't want to get rebuild, so you just YOLO your account and you lose it. I like how with Lucid you can just buy it once and then you take your time, risk appropriately, and let it play out. The other one is the end of day drawdown. So if you've ever tried something like Apex trading where they have intraday trailing drawdown, it's really fucking annoying and it's very hard to get an account up that way. So this is huge for me. Next, you can have 5 funded accounts, which is really nice because I think some only let you have 3. Instant payouts. If you saw my video the other day where I got a payout, I got paid out in like literally 3 seconds. It was insane. Super quick. And lastly, really important, is Lucid still allows you to trade gold and silver, because if you are aware of the current prop firm scene right now, so many prop firms are restricting assets like gold and silver because people are just making too much money off it. I think it was Top Step, Apex, My Funded Futures, they're all restricting gold. And if you've been following the channel, you know we love gold. We love trading gold with the Virgin Wick theory. It's really nice for our strategy. So yeah, that's really huge. All right, so Lucid have 4 main account types. They have the Lucid Pro, the Lucid Black, the Lucid Flex, and the Director Funded, which I don't recommend. Today I'll mostly be covering the Pro versus the Flex because in my opinion, these are the only 2 worth looking at. In short, Flex is the cheapest, most flexible. You can get it for $65 with my code, which I'll link below. Pro is also nice, but it's a bit more expensive, and the main difference is it's just an easier evaluation. So like you can send it in one trade and pass. That's like the main difference, but we'll go into it. Lucid Black I'm not really going to cover because it doesn't really make sense to me. It is more expensive and there are more rules to get a payout. Like it's harder to get a payout, so it just doesn't really make sense. So yeah, we'll compare the Pro and the Flex with the help of this lovely graphic that someone in the Lucid Trading Discord shared. So, comparing the Pro and the Flex, as you can see, the Pro is slightly more expensive, so $80 compared to $65. They have the same profit target and the same drawdown. A big difference is the daily loss limit. Flex has no daily loss limit, which is nice. But yeah, the main difference is in the evaluation, there is a consistency rule for the Flex and not for the Pro. Meaning, with the Flex, it will take you 2 days to pass. So you can get half of the profit target in one day and half in the next day, which is fine because we like to take our time with our strategy anyways. We don't really like to YOLO trades. But if for whatever reason you have $1 million to spend on evals, then you can just keep buying pros and just YOLO them. Use the whole drawdown risk in one trade and just pass it instantly. But for 99% of people, I would say the Flex is better. And then when we get to the funded stage, it's also easier to get a payout with Flex because with the Pro, you need to have at least 52.1K before you can request a payout. With the Flex, there is none. So if you saw my payout video, I only had 51K and I was able to withdraw a payout. All you need is 5 days of at least $150 and then you can get a payout. So it's a lot easier to get a payout. Flex also has no consistency rule when it comes to the funded stage, which is nice because even though we don't YOLO it in the funded stage, sometimes you might have a really big day where you hit a 2-hour trade, and then a 2-hour trade, and then a 2-hour trade. So you just have like a 6-hour trade day. And you don't want that to jeopardize your payout just because you had a really nice day. Whereas the Pro does have a consistency rule. But usually not a big deal. But yeah, in short, the Flex is just a lot easier to get a payout, and it's cheaper. So it makes sense to me to get it. The live stuff, I'm not really gonna go over because I would say 99.9% of you guys watching this are at the stage where you're just trying to either pass an eval or get your first payout or maybe your second payout. So I would say most of the stuff is probably irrelevant for 99.9% of people. But yeah, in short, in summary, I would say Flex, 50K Flex is the clear #1 choice. There is no consistency rule once funded. There is no buffer for payouts. There's no objectives between payouts. You just have to have 5 days of $150 plus. But if you want to pass the eval in 1 day for whatever reason, then you can get the 50K Pro. But for me, the daily loss limit feels a bit restrictive, and the 40% in funded stage feels a bit restricted as well. And it's more expensive for pretty much the same payout speed. So for me, 50K Flex wins, it's cheaper, there's no consistency, no daily loss limit. So that's my honest breakdown. In short, I think Lucid is really good. I think they have the top prop firm right now, and the 50K Flex is a no-brainer. The speed, the rules, the payouts, it's nice. So if you want to try it, you can use my link. I'll put my code below in the description, and you can get a Flex for $65. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's recap, maybe. There is no recap of yesterday's trades because there weren't really any nice setups. So yeah, maybe see you tomorrow.